What's up, guys? Welcome back. If you're new here, hi, my name is Xanthia. I am 19 and I live on the Gold Coast. I need to get dressed out of my pajamas because I have stuff I'm doing today. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. Alright, so this is the outfit. It's from Shein. I do still have to do my hair, but I also need to clean up from breakfast because I made bacon and eggs and a mess. My hair. On second thought, I'm going to leave my hair like this. I'm gonna make sure that all the doors are locked before I head out. Grabbing my watch because I had to charge that last night. But I might get a haircut today because I do really need one. I have a lot of split ends. Bye, puppy. You got food out there? Bye, puppy. Good boy. Good boy. I'll be back later. But yeah, I've got like a lot of split ends that need to be dealt with. So I'm quite possibly just gonna get a haircut while I'm out. Because I am going to Australia Fair anyway. And that's where the cheap hairdresser is, not the $10 hairdresser. Because as much as I like saving money, they never do it properly. So that's the plan, and I'll see you when I get there. I made it. This used to be the Rappers right now. And also, when we first moved here, right about here was a fish tank with a little fish in it that used to have a really big forehead. But yeah. I'm about to get my eyebrows done and quite possibly my haircut. Alright, so they said there's about half-hour wait on like eyebrows and stuff. So I'm gonna go to the toilet. I just bought something for Mum, part of her Christmas present. So yeah. Now we go to the toilet and then go back and sit in the waiting area. Don't judge me, but this is a very quick little before of my eyebrows, and then I do give you a little after here. If you ignore the fact that they're red, they actually look way better. And then this is a before for my hair. You can see how just dead those ends are looking. And then here's the after. It just feels way lighter. And so much better. And then this is while I was getting my eyebrows waxed. I didn't film much because it was a little bit awkward. And then this is how much hair they chopped off and put on the ground. Yes, I know it's red. I know. But I am now on my way to the chemist because I'm gonna pick some stuff up for Tommy because this is the closest chemist warehouse to either of us. And I'm gonna have a look at some stuff for me. It's very heavy, but I'll do a little haul of what I got when I get home. Yeah. My results are out for the practice assessment I did for one of my subjects. Ignore my hair, I'm washing it in like an hour or so. But my results are out, so I'm trying to find it now. Oh, that's not bad. I got 20 out of 32, so I did a bit better than I did on the last one. I'm actually pretty happy with that because it was kind of difficult, I'm not even gonna lie to you. But Tommy's just asked me to go to Woolies for him really quickly because he's working all day, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I put a jumper on because it's getting kind of cold, and Tommy just asked me to run to Woolies and grab him triple no sugar, because he's at work and he can't do it himself right now, and I'm about to start my uni work, but I'm not doing anything right this second, so I said okay, so now I'm on my way to there. I ended up getting some food from Tommy, and then Declan arrived, so I brought him home from school. Alrighty, I really need to clean my room because just my desk is a mess. So I'm gonna start by taking out any rubbish that I have. Washing is next. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is put all my shoes away. Okay, I think I'm gonna start on schoolwork now. dog came to join me. I have showered, because I don't know if I'm gonna go to the gym or not. I have this really annoying cough right now, and honestly going to the gym is probably gonna make it worse because I feel like I'm starting to catch a cold. I forgot I bought this, but I bought it while I was at Oaks Fair earlier. And I'm gonna drink it now while I'm doing anyway. Alrighty, so I just went and had dinner, and I finished all of my eliminations for this week, which is very good. Now I'm gonna start on my challenges, which is, I think I only have 2 this week, but it's probably like the most boring subject, so I just did my quiz and I got 5 out of 5 right. I'm done with uni for tonight, so I'm going to organise my shelf out there, of all my snacks and stuff. Here's me checking off my little checklist of everything that I still had to do, and then I organised my shelf. This is the before, and don't at me for the after still looking kind of messy. It's the best I could do. Alright, so it's a bit past 11, and I think I'm going to play some Fortnite once that is updated, but until that updates, I will play Bug Snacks, because yeah. Alrighty guys, that is gonna be it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.